Hello, this is the second video of the Git stash, and in this video I'm gonna cover order of stashes, stashes from other branches, -m option, list command, and pop command. So let's dive in. So if you see the screen now, there are commits and branches. So if you want to know the setting, then please check the info card top right or the link in the description section. So let's start. So we're in the sub branch, and in this case let me add sub3, and then let me make a stash, git stash, and here we can name the stash, so -m, and I will name it as sub3, right? And if you see the git graph here, add sub3 is here. And then please remember this commit, this stash is now having an index 0, but it will change. So here let's make another stash, sub4, and then git stash -m add sub4. And if you see the git graph, here it is. And sub4 has an index 0 now, and sub3 is now having index 1. So the more recent one has the lower index. So be careful about that. So, and then if you want to see the list of stashes, you can use git stash list. And here, right, 0, 1, sub4, sub3 is here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one. So git stash drop 0. We delete it, and I'm going to apply this and delete at the same time. And there is a command to do this, which is pop. So let's do pop. Git stash pop and the index 0. If you see the git graph, there is no stash, right? And then sub3 is here, right? If you check the git list, git stash list, no stashes, right? So let's commit that. Git commit -am add sub3. Right, done. And then I'm going to mention two things from now on. The first one is we can apply stashes that are made from other branches. And the second one is if we use pop and there is a conflict, then drop, which is deleting the stash, does not happen. So let me show you the example. So let's move to the main branch, git switch main. Main1 is here, and let's add main2, and let's make it as a stash, git stash. So if you see the git graph, here it is, stash is here. And then let's move back to the sub branch, git stash, git switch sub, and then let's apply this stash. We can do that. Git stash, and let me use pop to show how conflict is handled. So git stash pop and the index 0. So there is a exclamation mark, which means conflict. So let me accept both changes. And if we see the git graph, let me refresh it. There still is a stash. It's the stash, and we can check it through git stash list as well. Stash is here. So, and then let me commit this. Git add git commit dash am handling stash, handle stash. We commit it, and there still is the stash. And yes, we can check the stash right now. So we have to drop this. So if someone wants to delete the stash, then he or she can use the drop command. I guess you will know how to use the drop command. So I'll finish this video now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.